Hello everyone, Sam is from myfirstmagicwave.com, making this a small video about US dollar index. So let's get started. This is the chart I made on May 29th. This is US dollar index monthly chart showing the bigger picture, right? Bigger picture, the biggest and the bigger picture. Uh, Monthly chart is the biggest one. And this is how it is. It's sideways, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then it could be, this is wave 3 and this is wave 4. This could be wave 5. Then, probably wave A, and then we're supposed to go up for wave B, and then we come down for wave C. So at this point, even before when we were here, I said we're going to go up for wave B. And right here, this will hold and we will go up. That's what this chart is showing. The same time, May 29th, I made a weekly chart as well, showing a little bit more clarity and more, more candles. So right here, we can see that there's a bullish candle, exactly the same level, 88.80. And that says, well, this is how this whole thing is wave A. Then we're going to go for like A, B, C correction for B, wave B, and then we will come down for wave C as shown in this. So this is A, and then we're going to go A, B, C, and that would be wave B. Then we will come down all the way for wave C. Okay, so that's a bigger version, and this is a small version. A, B. So we're starting from B, going for C, but that would be a wave B on a monthly chart. Okay, but now wave C usually, not always, but usually comes in 5 waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as well. So then what? So now I said from here to here we're gonna go in a straight line. No, we will go there, but in this fashion. How? So this one was, again, this chart I recorded on 20th July. And that's what it says, that this is what's happening, and we are going to the upside for wave C. But obviously, we hit the resistance, and then this is the bigger picture. But what happened right after that? That it started dipping. And right now, currently, let me show the current chart that this is what's happening on a weekly chart. So it went up there, right? And now it's coming back. Why? Because of this chart here. And what is this? That this move up, you saw. Now it is coming down here. So this is how it is. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That was wave 1, right? This is the one. On a current chart, we can see that this wave from here to here. So it has 5 waves within it, and it's kind of like wave 1. Now we go, or A. And then we are supposed to go down for wave B around maybe 61% or 78%. Time will tell. Fundies will dominate, right? But we started to come down. So what we have done so far, that 38% retracement, you pull the fib from the bottom to top, you can see here that we are at 38%, 93.32, 93.12 area. I think that this is the wave A. Then we're going to go up for wave B, and then we will come down for wave C according to this chart. That's according to this one. This is how Elliott wave moves. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, B, and C. A is finished, and we might be going up for B, making kind of a small head and shoulder pattern here. Not small, it's going to be a big one, right? So that, wave 3, 4, 5, A, B, that's where this head and shoulder pattern usually happens. Right there, you can see this left shoulder, head, right shoulder. So if we can stay above 93.12 and start going up tonight, or maybe next week, whenever. But that's the bottom line for wave A, I think. If we continue good dropping, yeah, is there a possibility? Yes, of course, right? It depends on fundies. So if any fundie comes, this is the nice area to make the turn to the upside for wave B. Okay, so we're gonna have to watch out on 20-minute chart, for example. This is the chart. So it's bouncing. You see, 93.32 and 93.12 area, and this is how nice and clean it dropped. And now posting this chart. Let me just refresh the chart. It's like, whoops, what did I do here. Okay, what am I doing? Supposed to be discharge. Dummy. Hold on just a minute. Okay, and all right. Everything fine and dandy, and here we go. So this is the chart, yes. So now it's the current chart, and this is how it is, and it might be going up for wave B. So this also will start moving like in waves, just like this one, you see. It goes up in wave 1, then it's 2, and then big, wave 3 comes here, right? And 4 and 5, whatever. Or A, B, C. And then again, it's like wave 1, wave 2, right? Or A, B, C. So this is how it is. So now we're gonna bounce maybe all the way to maybe 94.01 or all the way here, and then we'll drop here and then go up, and so far and so forth. But this is where we're supposed to go for wave B. 94.81 would be the target, and 94.81 you will see this right here. Okay, all in all, we're gonna go there, and then maybe we will make another turn to the downside. But what happened when these things happening? When the US dollar index going up, US dollar getting strong, and 4 of those pairs have a chance to go down because the USD on the right hand side, Euro USD, Pound USD, Aussie USD, and New USD, and 3 of those USD pairs, including USD CAD, USD franc, and USD yen, will have a chance to go up because USD there is on the left hand side. So USD gets strong, those 3 pairs will go up, and the other 3 pairs will go down. And that's how we look for our entries in those directions. If this thing, only monitoring this thing here, if it is going on the right direction, you can expect, you cannot go against them. No. Even though sometimes what happens is that, okay, USD getting strong, but pound is getting more strong, and then pound USD, instead of coming down, will go up, right? But I don't want that. Even that, I don't want it. I mean, I don't want, if I know that USD is getting strong, I don't want to go against it. Okay, it's just make things complicated. You have other pairs that are going in that direction. Then just trade them. Why just going against your own analysis, right? So I don't bother with that. So I'm gonna wait until this thing start bouncing, and I will start seeing my entries in those areas, in those pairs, in my direction. Like if this start going, I will be looking short in Euro USD, Pound USD, Aussie and Aussie. I don't trade much, right? But even not Euro USD, no. So basically, Pound USD short, and then maybe USD CAD long, or that's the only trade, pair USD pair I trade. So that's how it is. All right, so we're gonna keep an eye on it, and we will see what's happening. And but that is what's happening really. So you can see that it is slightly edging. Let's take a look at the 20-minute. See that? So it is just it hit exactly to the pip, 93.12. This is how accurate the market is. People say it's random. No, it's not. You see that it is coming off of exactly 94.81. And then coming straight down to 93.11. Yeah, this is, how can you say it's random? It's not random. 93.11. 93.11. Yeah, 93.12, right? So let's find it. Let's find that stupid number 90. See right there. Even though it's a small number, but that's how it's been playing out, right? These two numbers, these two little babies. Right now you are stuck right here, and these numbers. How long ago? That was from 2006. It's funny, right? But that's how it is. And 95.81, 41 is here, and 94.59 is here. All of these numbers, and then price move between them. So once it goes up, and then we're gonna come down, and I'm expecting that drop to 91.71. Let me show it. See that? For wave C, I'm expecting it into this area, 91.71, 91.60. So first go up into this 94.81, then drop. That's one scenario. That's my preferable, according to the Elliott wave, perspective. That's how it is. But like I said, the news can come and destroy everything, right? So, but if the news comes in my favor, this is the route that it is going to. And that's how the Fibonacci works. This is how the Fibonacci numbers. You can see that it's exactly at 38%. Then it goes back, around one of these areas, either this one or this one, and between that we have nice reverse resistance zone. So most likely it's going to stop just like here. It will stop here and then start to come down into this level. So remember, when this thing is going, 4 of those pair will go down, 3 will go up. When it start dropping from point B, just the opposite. 4 of these pair will be going up and those 3 will go down. They will have a chance to go down. So we will trade accordingly, right? We will see that if that is the scenario, and that then we will get our setup, proper setup in that direction. If not, then no setup, no trade. Sorry. Okay, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful coming weekend, right? One more day, and then we have a weekend.